Hi guys, welcome back. So let's just hop into the eye portion. So I used the Take Me Back to Brazil palette using that light blue shade, and I applied that in the crease area using the Morphe M506 brush. So I'm just dragging that eyeshadow to the outer layer. And then I went in with the lime green shade from the same palette, and I applied that above the blue shade. So I'm just going to blend both shades together to get that diffused blend. And I used the Morphe E17 brush. And then after that I used the dark blue shade from the same palette, and I used the Morphe M139 brush. So I'm just going to blend all three shades together, and I dragged the last blue shade to the inner crease area. And then I used the grease method to cut the crease, to clean that area just a bit before I applied the concealer. And I'm just going to use a makeup wipe to clean the area. And then I proceeded to cut in the crease. So I used the Wet n Wild concealer in the shade Deep Tan. So I cut the crease, and I'm doing a half cut crease. And I'm still on my way closer to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes don't last it long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. And then I went in back with the two blue shades that I used in the crease area. So I started off using the darker blue shade in the outer layer, and I'm just going to drag that further into the crease area. And then I went in with the first blue shade that I used in the crease area. So I'm just going to blend those two blue shades together. And then I went in with the juvia'a masquerade palette, and I used the shade Zola in the on the eyelid, and I just used a smudge brush to achieve that. And then I used a smaller smudge brush. So I used the Morphe M213 smudge brush to just to give it a little bit more detail. And I'm going back with the same shade to blend them together. And then I proceeded to do the face portion. So I speed up this portion for you guys. So I hope you like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, say all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon.
wrong. And I'm still on my way closer each day to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice.
I just realized I've built walls a mile high to protect my heart, but now